Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Jyako toast, Japanese whitebait toast. It's a very popular Japanese school lunch menu. Kids asked me to make it at home and it turned out really good. Ask at the Japanese grocery store if Shirasuboshi, Japanese baby sardine, is available. I'm sure it is available. It's quick yet delicious. Please try it out. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You need 2 tablespoons of Shirasuboshi, Japanese whitebait. I think it is available overseas. Ask at the store. Two tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of Aonori green laver. Mix and spread the mixture on the bread. Toast the bread in the toaster oven until golden brown. And now it's done! Easy, right? Very simple yet delicious. You must try it out. Good source of calcium, perfect for breakfast or snack time. I have more school lunch recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
学校と同じ味で、もうちょっと多かったね、しらすが。
本当に学校そんないっぱい乗せてくれんのしらす。
サクサクしてるね。美味しいでしょ。
どのぐらいの大きさで食べてん
もうちょっと大きいの。
の？
そうなんだよ、学校ではね、大きいのが。あ、アイアンゴールの形だ。アイアンゴールでもこうやれば。皆さんもぜひ作ってください。わかりましたか？チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタンを押してね。バイバイ。